To the vlog. Hello. I don't know if you can hear me because there's no microphone on this, but we're in Lithuania in Vilnius. Snow. Liam's just giving me a tour, even though he's only been here for a few hours before me.
Tour guide expertise.
So what's that?
That is, we're going to say it's the National Theatre.
Right. Looks like the White House.
I mean, it could be. We're just going to have to find out tomorrow on our walking tour.
Tune in tomorrow for actual facts. Good morning.
Good morning.
We have just had breakfast and now we're on the way to do a walking tour. Liam has picked this out because he's done how many?
This will be my 24th on my trip, so
he's a professional walking tour connoisseur. It's nice and sunny. It's honestly, I don't think it's that cold. It's snow, like there's snow everywhere, but it's not that cold because it's not really windy. So yeah, I'll do a room tour when we get back, even though it's messy.
Sorry.
It's mostly Liam with bags all over the place, but yeah. And then I might film a little bit when we're on the walking tour. We'll give you a full review when it's over.
Same thing.
Oh, we're gonna ruin. Oh no, I'm gonna eat pasta too much here, and then by the time we get to Italy, I'll be like, I'm sick of it now. Don't want to.
Never be sick.
Can we just go back
Don't
down?
worry, I've had spaghetti bolognese.
Everywhere. It's just an easy thing to get.
So when we've warmed our cold bones up the fortress, castle when we go.
Christ. There's loads of people coming behind us, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, wait till they pass.
Hello.
Take over.
So we did our walking
You
tour.
look in there.
Oh, we did our walking tour, and it was very good. I'd say top 5 of the 24 that I've done on my trip. So I would recommend the little lady.
I'll get the information off Liam and I'll put it in the description.
Link down below.
We just had lunch in this place. I already filmed in front of it.
Oh, that's okay.
It was really nice. They had a good selection of food. And now Liam's making me walk up some hill
To see the upper
to see
castle.
a tower that you can see from the bottom without going up, but you know.
We're all about the views. It's all about the serenity.
It's really nice here. It's very Christmassy with all the lights and stuff on all the buildings. I still don't think it's too cold. Like, it's fine. We were walking around for like 2.5 hours.
Yeah,
2?
I think it was,
Yeah.
it was good. I've come from Poland, which was much colder, I thought, so.
Thank you for joining us for this weather update. Look at this place behind us. It's really nice. Peace.
Ciao, ciao.
This is this makes me want to vomit. If you stand right here.
Good view.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that sky. Nice, nice. Take a seat there, rest your weary legs. Your head looks so like round with that on. It's like a spaceman thing. What the fuck is that?
Maybe.
Hello and welcome to our Vilnius room tour. Oh, actually, before I do this, I forgot to say when we were on the tour, we were in the Jewish quarter, and the tour guide was talking about they had a big Jewish population and all that, and they mostly lived in one area. One French fella said something like, "Oh, but what did they do with all their money they made?" Because she said they didn't really do up their houses or anything like that. He was like, "Well, what did they do with all the money they had?" As in, all Jews are rich, so what did they spend their money on? And me and Liam both looked at each other and we were like, that sounds a bit anti-Semitic. And then the tour guide said, oh, this area, the Jewish quarter, was actually one of the poorest areas, not the richest areas. And again, he was like, but what did they do with all the money they had? And she was like, again, this was the poorest area, not a rich area. So I just thought that was interesting from him.
It's a free tour, so stop asking her questions. If you want to get a private tour, it's a free tour. Let her do her job.
But anyway, room tour.
Hello.
Right, so here's all Liam's mess. Wardrobe. There's me. 2 single beds right beside each other, so it could be a double. Desk. TV. And we're at the front on street level. But it's actually grand, it's not that noisy. The bathroom is a shared bathroom, so it's across the hob. So they've rooms with a toilet and a sink, and then they've rooms where it's a shower.
It's one of the best showers I've had on this trip, and I've been away for quite a while, so I give it 10 out of 10.
So we're just going to watch a bit of I'm a Celeb now, and then go and get dinner. Hello and good morning. It's Sunday today. I didn't talk through what we did yesterday because I didn't take my camera out. So we got up. Liam brought us to a lovely French cafe.
What?
It was shit. On the bottom of the menu it said, let us know if you have any dietary requirements. So I said, can I have this thing without the cheese? And they were like, no. So I just got croissants, and how big were they? They were tiny, 2 tiny croissants. Then we went to the KGB Museum. That's very good. Nice jail on the bottom floor. Did you like it? Recommend?
I would recommend it, yeah. It's number 3 on TripAdvisor here, so I'd say, yeah, I'd say it was in a good position.
Then we got lunch. Liam brought me to a walk.
Back. You did your yoga.
I did some yoga. Liam went out on another walk, even though we were walking for the whole day. He's a bit strange. Then we came back and we walked to a newer part of the city, and we went to this really cool food court. That was really good. Is our last day, and we have to get souvenirs for Liam, and then we're going to a cat cafe for breakfast.
I was meant to go before, but I wasn't let go because people had allergies.
And I've no problem going. Nicole, I know you would hate this because you hate cats, so maybe skip the video because if you don't want to watch cats, that's probably coming next.
Yeah, but we're in it, so you know.
Yeah. This is the square during daytime. There's the Christmas tree. and the big tower. It was snowing a lot of yesterday, so there's a lot more snow around. See that big pile behind me?
Expecting the decor. Hello. Lauren would have loved this.
You having a
Big
good time?
cat. Oh, he's getting in the hole.
Yeah,
Oh,
that
look
looks
at that.
nice. Look at the way the bottom expands. They like my hat for some reason.
You probably ordered the best thing.
They're jealous. Oh look, they're over there. Hello. Meow, 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 meow. So we're in Cyprus at the minute. So this is the end of the Vilnius, Lithuania vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. It was really, really good. I really recommend going there, especially around Christmas. It's really nice with all the snow and the lights and everything. And the people were really nice. Where we stayed was very good. So overall, 10 out of 10 recommend. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.